Daylight Time Sunday. This watch includes the following counties: Bandera and Medina. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Your local forecast. Rest of tonight, cloudy with a 50%.
Alright, I got the alert on my phone. There was a tornado watch for Uvalde County and Medina County. The reason why I have alerts enabled for Uvalde County and Medina County is so if storms are moving east, I can know, because we alert for Atascosa, Bandera, Bexar, Comal, Guadalupe, Kendall, Medina, and Wilson counties. And Uvalde is not in that one. If you guys want to see me do a video reciting all of the South Central Texas counties, post down below.